Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you are fine today. Once again we back in again to share with you our unboxing because just received some more parcels
We got
through
so
our
many packets.
our deliveries. So let's see what we have for you guys for unboxing today. So first of all, I introduce my team. Actually, it's my kids. This one is Ahmed Bilal. Ahmed Bilal, just wave your hand for your viewers. Wave your hand. And this one is Haris Bilal. So cute, boy. And this one, my little Billy. His name is Hashi Bilal. So, guys, excited?
Yeah.
What we have today?
I know. We have jacket. We have t-shirt. We have drama.
Okay, let's see what we have now.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, and don't cry, please. If you if we don't have anything for you guys in this parcel, then don't need to be sad or don't need to be cry. Okay? Happy? Promise?
Yeah.
Okay, put
Yeah.
them on.
I
Why you
don't
put
need
this?
glasses.
We don't need glasses. Yes.
In a
This
stomach.
parcel is from Next.
And who is mine?
Yeah, because we order everything online. We never go to buy physical. I mean, in shopping center to
Ticket.
yeah for shopping.
Ticket.
We just order online whenever we need anything. So they just deliver at our home. So today we have this stuff. Wow, that's cool. What's inside? Oopsie, oopsie.
Who's this?
Mashallah, mashallah, nice.
How many old is this?
That's the jumper.
Who's this? Who's this?
Next.
Okay, mine.
This is for
No, Nano.
I can't see the size. I think this one is for let's see. I think Haris. Haris. Haris.
No, it's too
Haris for you.
big. It's
This is Haris.
big.
Like it?
But it's bigger.
Don't worry.
Let me try on this.
What did I say? Don't cry. Don't need to be sad.
I'm not sad. I'll break it. I'll check it again. How many jackets is there?
No, Haris.
This one is for. I think this one is for Haris Bilal. This is one for Hashim Bilal.
Ah, what's
Thank you.
mine?
You wait. Wow, nice. There we go. Yeah. What we have in the next parcel? Let's see. Don't know. Don't need to move, okay?
This has to be mine. Please.
I think this one is for Ahmed Bilal. I think so.
Finally.
Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy.
This is also one for the
That mine.
Ahmed Bilal.
Yeah.
Hashim Bilal. Let me.
No.
Size is 7 years old. Hashim? Yeah, this one.
I'm 7 years old.
Wait.
I'm the 5 years old. That's my t-shirt. Even that's my t-shirt. I got my clothes. That's my t-shirt.
So nice. Wow, this one for you, Hashim Bilal.
What's mine?
Wait 1 minute, please. We have some more
Don't
stuff.
cry on the video. That was close mine with a football t-shirt.
This is also trouser and jumper.
Mine.
Hmm?
It's mine. That's my football t-shirt. Give me my t-shirt. Mine. Papa, look what Harry's doing. It's my football t-shirt. It's my football t-shirt.
This one is 7 years old. Hashim Bilal.
That's my football t-shirt.
It's a New York. Wow, nice brand. I love this brand, New York. And I want to go New York Inshallah, one day I will go there.
It's my competition.
This one, another one. This one for Hashim Bela.
Again.
There we go.
What's happening?
We got some more here. This one is
इसी का पजामा
7 years old. Hashim Bela.
I'm
Hashim Bela. Another one. This is for 7 years old. Hashim Bela. Ahmed, you are 7 years old? Okay, this is for Hashim Ahmed Bilal, sorry. This one Ahmed Bilal and this one for Ahmed Bilal, okay? You have got one. Don't worry, we got some more here. Wow, so cool.
Ahmed Bilal.
Then, wow. I think this is Haris Bilal. Haris, this is for you.
Okay, look at my own muscle. Thank you. How much is one?
PlayStation.
This one is.
Yeah, no, this for you as well. Hashim, Haris Bilal. There you go. Haris Bilal. There you go. Finish? We got one more here. Wow.
Ahmed
This
Bilal.
is also from next.
It's a mine. That's a mine. It's mine.
8 years old. Ahmed Bilal. Yeah, it's for Ahmed Bilal. Wow, so cool. You like it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
There you go.
I think that was
Now
mine.
give a smile, please. I know you little bit look sad.
The mine.
No, let me have. My 8 years old Ahmed Bilal. So cool. You like it?
Yeah. What for? I did mine. Those was mine.
There you go.
How many was it?
8 years old.
Yeah, told you.
Wow, so cool.
Look at that football teacher. It's a mine. You look at the part.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good, I'm the one.
It's mine. No, mine. This is also mine. Look at that football teacher.
Wow.
Nice.
Football teacher. Yeah. I got two.
There you go. Huh? So guys, happy now?
Yeah.
Excited?
Oh.
With your new clothes?
The boy finished.
Okay. So finally, I hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel. We need more subscribers. So that give us more encouragement to make good video for you guys. So please subscribe our channel and look after yourself. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.